be at the door. Geesh. Let's see.
Oh!
Trick
Trick or treat.
Hello there.
Is that the trick-or-treaters, Harold?
Yes, it is, Esther. Yes, they look quite
Give
nice.
them the candy.
Okay, well, one of them's a ghost and one of them's looks like a little butterfly.
Oh, that's so nice.
Candy? You want candy?
Yes.
I'll be right back and get some candy.
Okay.
Get him a good kind, Harold.
Okay, well, nothing but the best.
Yep.
Here you go. And Merry Christmas.
Oh,
Happy New Year.
what a fine holiday.
Lovely. Whoa.
Yay.
First trick-or-treaters of the night. Okay. Oh, so cute!
Trick
Oh,
or treat.
adorable. Well, there's lots of candy, but I recommend the apples. You gotta be healthy, right?
Nope.
Oh, well, happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Oh, here's the trick-or-treaters! Okay.
Yo, what do you got?
Trick
What?
or treat.
Trick or treat. That's today?
Yeah.
Oh. I don't really have any candy for you guys, but see what I can find. Hang on a second. Alright, so I don't have any candy, but I got this candy ravioli. It's all yours. Happy Halloween.
Thanks.
This is the one. This is the. Come on. Really?
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Okay, hold on. It's healthy, but it's used a little bit.
What?
Hello! Well, is it the trick or the treat? You gotta only pick one. Janine, come look! They're so cute! Which is it? Trick? Treat? Come on. You gotta do something. Treat. You gotta work for it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, that's enough for both of you.
What?
What?
There's the candy.
Trick or treaters.
Hello, trick or treat.
Hi, trick or treat.
Oh, here you go. Here you go.
Wow.
Here you go.
Wow.
Here you go. Here
Thanks.
you go.
What did you get?
Candy, beans, and mouthwash.
I only got like 3 pieces of candy. I'm going home.
My ravioli!